Assalamu alaikum. This is Usman Chaudhary, and in this video I am going to perform different basic operations in SolidWorks assemblies. In the left side, these are the part lists used in the assemblies. This is the history, and here is the complete list of all mates used in the assemblies. The other thing, here the search bar, you can search any command in the search bar. For example, let's search for sketch. So all commands related to sketch will appear here. How to open parts from assemblies. Basically this is a model hydropower system. This is the main canal and this is the link canal on which this hydro turbine is installed. So for open any of the part separately, just click on that part. Let's click on the runner. Whenever you click on any part, a new option bar will be appeared on the screen. So the first option is open part. If you click on this option open part, this part will be opened separately. You can view, edit or do any operation on it. Third one, how to measure different lengths. Open SolidWorks assembly. In the layout tab or in the sketch tab, you will find a smart dimension option here. Click on this option and then select reference dimensions. By using this command you can measure all dimensions in the assemblies. Click on any line to measure its length. If you want to measure the distance between 2 points or 2 faces, just click on both faces like this and then this face. This dimension will be appeared. So this is in millimeters. If you want to change the unit system, in the right side here click on this arrow and select inches, pound, seconds or any of your desired. If you want to edit more settings, click on edit document set units and then select from here custom length in millimeters or inches, miles, micro, inches, meters, feet. Let me choose inches. Now click on OK button. Now as you can see, the unit of this length has automatically been changed to inches. Click on the dimension and press delete button if you don't want. Same process is used to measure dimensions for the parts. Click on sketch tab and then select smart dimensions and don't forget to select reference dimensions. Now you can measure any dimension by simply clicking on that length. Or if you want to measure the distance from this point to this point, zoom in, select this point and then press escape button if unwanted point is selected. In this way you can find all the dimensions manually. Again, smart dimensions, and then click on any circle to measure its dimensions. So number fourth, how to edit materials. Open the assembly. If you want to apply PVC plastic to runner, right click on it and then scroll down and find material option. Here you can find material, and then you can choose any of the material from list, or you can edit material manually. Here is the complete list for materials for steel, iron, aluminium, copper, and for example plastics. In the plastic, ABS, ABS-PC, and normally we use PVC plastic. So here is the PVC plastic. Two types of PVC plastic. Select any of the material, and you can also edit the properties of PVC plastic from here. So we do not want to edit properties. Click on apply and then close. Now, how to know mass properties. When you had selected the material for your part, then click on that part, open it separately, verify from here whether the material is applied or not. Now in the evaluate tab, click on mass properties, and here is the mass in grams. For kilograms, click on this arrow and then select kilograms. Now again click on mass properties, and here is the mass in kilograms. Next, how to fix and float parts. You can move and rotate parts in SolidWorks, or you can also fix them. If I click and drag this runner, it will rotate, and all the parts which are linked with the runner will rotate along with it. So now I am going to fix it. For that, right click on that part and then click fix. Now the assembly is overdefined because this part is should not be fixed. So for now I am closing it. Now this part is fixed. If I try to rotate it, a message like this will appear and it will not rotate until I make it float. So again, to make it float, right click on it and then select float. Now try to rotate it. Number 7. Hide and unhide parts. So if you want to hide any part, click on that part and then select hide component. The part will be hidden. To unhide this part, in the left side search for that part. Here you can see the icon is dim. It means that this part is hidden. So click on that part and then select show component. You can also change the transparency of any part. For that, click on that part again, and then next to hide component option there is change transparency option. Click on this. So this part is now transparent. To make it normal again, you can click on that part, or you can also click on that part from part list and then click on change transparency option. Next one, edit parts from and in the assemblies. To edit any part, for example I'm going to edit this part. You click on this part and then select option edit part. Now you can edit this part inside the assembly, or if you want to edit this part outside the assembly, click on that part and then open it. You can edit it from here also. Now let's suppose I'm going to add a circle on this face. I want to add a hole on this face. Click on this face and then select sketch, then press this icon normal to, select a circle and draw it. Now click on smart dimensions and then again click on the circle to define it. Insert your dimensions and then press OK button. In the features tab, click on extruded cut command. In the left side, here are a few options for extruded cut. For example, the length of extruded cut, let me write a 1 feet. Or you can also select through all or rest of the options. So press OK button. So now this hole has been added to this part. When you close this part and it will ask you to save the settings, click yes. Now assembly will be automatically updated. You can see here the hole has been created automatically in the assembly. Now if you want to remove this circle or this hole in the assembly, click on the part in assembly and then select edit part. Now the writing in blue color shows that the part is now in editing mode. Scroll down and here is the history of all commands for this part. So in the last we have done a extruded cut. Click on this arrow. First of all, right click on extruded cut and then delete it. And then right click on the sketch and delete it. Once you have done all editing, click on this button. I'm hiding these two parts. Number 9. How to change appearance. If you want to change color or any appearance of any part, click on that part like this, and then here is the appearance option. Click on this arrow and then select the part. By clicking rest of the options like face, by clicking on the face will be changed. Now I'm selecting turbine structure, the whole part. In the left sides there are only colors, but in the right side there are scenes and appearance. You can select any appearance like plastic, metal, painted, rubber, glass, stone. Let's select stone, and type of stones, bricks. Select any one and then automatically it will be applied to the part. So press OK button. So this was the way to change appearance. Number 10th, how to make exploded views of assemblies. First of all, in the assembly tab, you will find an option exploded view. Click on this option, or in the configuration manager tab, right click on default and then select new exploded view. Now select all parts one by one and move them. These are the directions to move the part. Once you have completed your exploded view, click on OK button. Now again click on this arrow and then right click on exploded view 1 and click collapse. You can also explode it by double clicking. If you want to make animation for explosion or collapse, right click and then animate collapse. Here is the speed for animation. So this was the collapse animation. For exploded animation, double click on the exploded view 1 and collapse, and then right click on it and then select animate explode. If you want to save the animation, click on this button. Number 11th, how to make small animations. Select your view for animation. Next step, click on motion study 1, 2, anyone, and then right click in the empty space here and then select create new motion study. So motion study 3 has been created. If you want to rotate this runner, click on motor button here, then it will ask you the origin or component for motor. Select the part which will be moving. I am selecting this shaft. This arrow shows the direction. If you want to change the direction, click on this button, reverse direction. Then scroll down. Few options are also here, counting constant speed, distance, oscillating. So we need constant speed. Here are the RPM, 10 RPM. Scroll down and then press OK button. Now click on this button, calculate. It will take some time to calculate. So this animation calculation on the animation has been done. If you want to save this animation, click on save animation and then from here aspect ratio, select 16:9 aspect ratio and then rename your assembly animation and then click on save. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you want me to make tutorials for you, you can text me on Facebook. My Facebook page link is written in the description of this video. Thanks for watching and sparing time.